Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best fans for outdoor patio. Number 1. ZMISHIBO Kitchen. Upgrade your indoor or covered outdoor spaces with this stylish and powerful 72-inch ceiling fan, designed to enhance both comfort and aesthetics. Featuring a dual-color blade design in sleek black and warm walnut, it effortlessly combines industrial and farmhouse styles, making it a standout addition to living rooms, garages, barns, or patios. Its large 8-blade construction provides strong airflow, eliminating the need for multiple smaller fans, and comes with 3 down rods for inch, 8, and 24 to accommodate ceiling heights from 12 to 32 inches. Enjoy year-round comfort with a reversible DC motor offering 6 adjustable fan speeds. Use the counterclockwise setting in summer for a cooling breeze and switch to clockwise in winter for gentle, warm circulation. The included remote control lets you easily manage fan speed, direction, light functions, and set timers 1/2/4H for added convenience. Choose from 3 LED color temperatures, 3000K, 4500K, or 6000K, to suit your mood or space. Operating at a whisper-quiet 35 dB, the energy-efficient DC motor consumes 65% less energy than traditional AC motors. Backed by a 2-year customer support guarantee and clear installation instructions, this ceiling fan delivers both performance and peace of mind. Number 2. Fanbulous Dimmable. Enhance your outdoor comfort with this stylish and functional caged ceiling fan, designed for effortless control and weather resistance. Featuring both remote and Bluetooth app control, you can easily adjust between 6 fan speeds and set a 2-hour sleep timer to maintain your ideal environment. Perfect for patios, decks, porches, and gazebos, its IP65 waterproof rating and 7 durable ABS blades make it ideal for wet locations. The fan comes with 2 mounting options, 8-inch or 12, and a unique mobile hook installation, complete with a 16.5-foot power cord for flexible plug-and-play setup. Enjoy fully customizable lighting with a large lampshade that provides wide, flicker-free illumination. Brightness can be adjusted from 10% to 100% and 3 selectable color temperatures, 3000K, 4500K, and 6500K, allow you to set the perfect ambience. A memory function saves your last light and fan settings for seamless convenience. The reversible DC motor ensures energy efficiency and year-round comfort. Use the forward mode for a cooling breeze in summer and reverse mode to circulate warm air in winter. With quiet operation and easy installation, this versatile fan brings stylish functionality to any covered outdoor space. Number 3. Depuley Indoor. Designed for durability and performance, this outdoor ceiling fan is the perfect addition to your patio, gazebo, or covered outdoor space. With an IP65 waterproof rating, it operates reliably even in humid or rainy conditions, and the included 16.5-foot power cord offers enhanced flexibility for installation and use. Crafted with high-quality materials, the suspension rod and joint cover feature a rust-resistant, corrosion-proof metal construction with a sleek black finish, while the 3 lightweight ABS blades provide sturdy and efficient airflow. The copper motor ensures low power consumption and excellent heat dissipation for long-lasting performance. Enjoy complete control with both remote and app options, allowing you to easily adjust the 6 fan speeds, stepless dimmable LED light, and choose from 3 color temperature settings, warm, neutral, cool. The reversible DC motor offers efficient cooling in summer and warm air circulation in winter, while a 2-hour timer adds convenience. Its easy hanging installation is designed to fit even limited spaces, making it suitable for a wide range of outdoor setups. Backed by responsive customer support, this fan combines style, function, and reliability to elevate your outdoor living experience. Number 4. VENTISOL Metal. Built for power and efficiency, this 24-inch high-velocity industrial fan delivers exceptional airflow performance, making it ideal for demanding environments like garages, workshops, warehouses, and even large indoor or outdoor areas. Featuring a specialized 3-speed motor and 8 durable aluminum blades, It generates up to 9,500 CFM at 1130 RPM, offering stronger airflow and quieter operation compared to standard drum fans of the same size. Whether you're cooling a large space or improving air circulation, this fan gets the job done fast. Designed for convenience and mobility, it includes a sturdy metal frame, overheat protection motor, and an insulated handle for safe handling. 2 smooth rubber wheels allow for easy transport, and the 5.2-foot power cord offers flexible positioning. The 3-speed rotary switch, conveniently located on the back, lets you easily adjust the airflow to suit your needs. With an ultra-thin design measuring just 28 by 6 by 29 inches and weighing only 22.8 pounds, it's space-saving yet powerful. This fan is perfect for a wide range of applications and is engineered to combine durability, performance, and portability, making it a smart, heavy-duty cooling solution. Number 5. AZOUTDOOR Household. Engineered for power and precision, this high-speed wall-mounted fan is designed to deliver intense airflow across large spaces. Featuring 3 durable aluminum blades and upgraded spiral blowing technology, it produces a straight-blowing wind that can reach up to 50 feet. With a powerful 1,300 RPM motor and airflow output of up to 7,000 CFM, it effectively cools workshops, garages, warehouses, and other high-demand environments. The fan offers 3 speed settings, allowing you to customize comfort according to your needs. Built for wide coverage, it offers 60 degrees vertical tilt via manual adjustment and 120 degrees horizontal oscillation controlled by a switch, ideal for circulating air across broader areas. Despite its high performance, it operates at a low noise level of under 55 dB, ensuring a quieter work or living environment. Constructed with upgraded materials, including a copper core coil motor and high-hardness mesh grille, this fan prioritizes safety, durability, and long-term use. The stable triangular wall mount bracket ensures secure installation, while a 58-inch extended power cord adds placement flexibility. Whether for residential, commercial, or industrial use, this fan offers reliable performance and easy installation backed by responsive customer support. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.